happy birthday! Thank you for all your guidance, inspiration, and support to us. May God bless you with more success and glory in your years to come. Happy birthday, Mom! And Mom, some of our colleagues and friends wants to meet you on your birthday.
Excuse me po. Ay, kay Ma'am Candy po. So, ayan po. Hi, Ma'am Candy. Happy birthday po. I'm Nash po, the new scheduling compliance officer po here at the PNTC. I heard a lot of good things about you. So, another years to come and stay positive and good health also. So, that's all. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am Candy! Happy birthday! Thank you for being so nice and supportive to us. May God bless you with good health and wealth, as well as your loved ones. Stay positive, have a blast, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Ma'am Candy, happy birthday po. I wish more birthdays to come to your life and blessing and successful and God bless po. Happy birthday po.
Hello, Ma'am Candy! Happy birthday! Thank you for your kindness and support for the team. Wish you good health, happiness, and more power. Aja, PNTC. Love, love. Happy birthday.
It's your birthday. Hope you party like it's your birthday. Drink Bacardi like it's your birthday. In the club like it's your birthday.
Happy birthday, sis, and I wish you so much love, so much happiness. Love life mo. Lahat ng mga life mo, wini-wish ko happy ka doon. You know, I will always be here to support you, and I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Hi, Sis. Kumusta ka na? Matagal tayong hindi nakikita. Well, I'm just around if you need a friend or if you need a buddy. Well, just call me, alright? Happy birthday.